Welcome, my name is Adedoyin Dumbo. Today we'll be talking about Excel Flashfill. Flashfill is a special tool that analyzes information you are entering and it automatically fills those data when it identifies a pattern. You can find Flashfill from Excel 2013, 2016, 2019 and the Office 365. Flashfill is now available in 2010 and below. So what does Flashfill do? Flashfill try to combine data that are found in 2 columns or 3 columns. You can combine them together when it identifies a pattern, or it can be used to separate information that are in a column and separate them into different columns. So we can use Flashfill to apply that. So I'm going to quickly show you some examples on how we can apply Flashfill. Say for example, I have my last name, I have first name A, and I want to combine them together. What am I going to do? I will type in the first name, then this last name as well. Then I will say enter. And I'll go on to type in the second one, Gonzale. When I try to type the second one, Excel quickly identify a trend. Like it asks me, is this what I want to do? It flashes this for me. If that's what I want to do, I will just press enter. It will populate all the whole cells for me. And also, I can add initial with the surname. What is the initial here? The initial of the first name, I will add it with the surname. I will only extract all those initial. I will add it with the first name here. So I'm going to just type the first initial is H dot, and I say Smith. I say enter. I'm going to the second one. I say J dot. Excel identify that pattern and quickly fill. I say enter. I can also go on and say I want to insert a character. Can insert a character in between these two names. For example, I can say Smith hyphen Howard. I say enter. I say Gonzale. Yes, is that what I want? I say enter. At the same time, I can change case. Let's say, for example, all these things are in sentence case. I can change them to uppercase only or lowercase only. I'll just say Smith or what. I type in, I can use Control E to populate the information for me. Instead of typing in the second one, Control E is a shortcut for Excel Flashfill. And also, I can substitute for space. I can substitute for space. Here, maybe Excel is going to be looking at this. I can add all these things together. Instead of a space, I am going to put something in there. I will say Excel Smith. Instead of a space, I will put comma. Then I will say or what. Then I can use the alternative ways for me to try to use the autofill undo. And this is the autofill option. I say Flashfill. Excel will flash all this information for me. What does it do here? It replaces this hyphen with another character. And also, I can only use the first and last initials only. I can use the first and the last initials only. And also, I can use a combination of 2 names to create an email. I'm quickly going to do this for us. I will say Smith dot Howard at gmail.com. I say Smith.Howard at gmail.com. I press enter. I can use Control E. Control E. Excel will quickly do what? Give me all those names one after the other and add the Gmail to all the information. I don't know why there's an error here, but I can look at that later. There's not much time. So let's quickly look at this as well. Here, I have this information together. Then I can actually extract a particular lines or figure in A. There's an employee ID that is mixed with the full name of the staff. Say, what do I want? I just want only the employee ID. I just say 1054. I will say enter. 1056. Is there identify me? I say yes. Give it to me. I only want a son name. The son name is Smith. I'll just say Smith. Then I'll go and say Gonzale. Identify me and populate it. I can say I want only the first name. I say the first name is Howard. And I type in Joe, identify a pattern and fill it. Here it tries to run away with the pattern. I can use Control E to quickly populate that as well. And also I can reverse a pattern. I have a Smith before Howard. I can say give it to me in Howard and Smith. I can say Howard, Smith. I press Ctrl E. It quickly give it to me in the reverse order. Here also, I can use it to clean data. If you look at this information here, there is a space in between this first Smith. There is a space here. There is a space here. This one is okay. There are lots of spaces here. All this information, they were not in order. I can use Flashfill also to clean this information. What am I going to do? I'll just type in the first one. I'll type in the second one. Except flash it for me quickly. I press enter. You can see here it has actually removed the spaces that are here. Also here, I can use it. I can insert a character, and I can actually replace part of a content. Well, you have actually inserted a character here. Let's say I want to insert a character here. I will say 733 is a phone number 561 09021. I say enter. I say Control E. It actually inserts those characters for me, and I can replace also part of a content. All this content I can replace part. I can say 733 561. Now say XXX. I say Control E. What does it do? It replaces all those characters for me. Except Flashfill is a fantastic tool that we can actually use when we are dealing with large number of data. We want to quickly clean some data. We want to extract some information in a data. Thank you for watching us.